It's a big challenge for the hospitality industry to gain confidence post-COVID-19 about hygiene standards maintaining at their premises. Customers are always afraid to visit hotel due to frequent use by different persons. So, have you disinfected your hotel ever? Probably never. A room may appear clean upon check-in. But how to gain customers' confidence that it's safe to use and no need to worry about who was in the room just before you got there? If customer assumes that someone's been in there coughing away, it can help focus your mind on thinking, alright, how they have cleaned everything I'm going to touch. Shuddhi is a hassle-free, quick, and easy solution to disinfect every corner of the room, surface, and the air conditioning system of the room. Deep cleans and disinfecting mists might not keep us from getting the virus, but they sure make us feel better.